Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup Teams meeting captions for AI processing, beginner guide step by step clearly. To begin, open Microsoft Teams on your computer. Navigate to the calendar section on the left sidebar. Find the meeting for which you want to backup captions. Click on the meeting to open its details. Locate the meeting chat window within the meeting details. This is where the captions will be available after the meeting. Join the meeting as you normally would. During the meeting, ensure that captions are turned on. You can usually toggle captions from the meeting controls at the bottom of the screen. Once the meeting concludes, return to the chat window. Scroll up to find the messages containing the captions. Select the captions you want to backup. Highlight the text you wish to copy. Right-click on the highlighted text and select Copy. Open a text editor or a word processor. Create a new document to store the captions. Right-click in the new document and select Paste. Make sure to save your document with a clear and identifiable name. For further AI processing, consider saving it in a compatible format, like .txt or .docs. Close the text editor and return to Teams if needed. Your meeting captions are now backed up and ready for AI processing. This simple process ensures you have all necessary information captured for future use. Now you're prepared to utilize your backups effectively. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.